the F-150. So one of the most annoying things about this truck, I mean, I love this truck to death. One of the most annoying things, and I just can't stand that feature, is the auto start and stop, which means every time you come up to a red light, the truck turns off. It's annoying as hell. I don't like to have the truck off. I've been in a situation where a car swerved um, a little bit too close to me making a left turn when I was in the left turning lane of my direction, and the steering wheel had almost locked because of this auto start stop. In addition to the fact that I don't know if the auto start stop feature um, adds any wear and tear on the starter itself. So I've always wanted to take it off. And what I discovered was this doodad, Auto Start Stop Eliminator. And they come for a lot of different models of the F-150. So I bought it for my model, and it's already installed. I didn't want to do an install video because there's tons of it. It's real simple. You got to pop this up. There's two 7mm bolts here. Let me see if I could get a visual of that. And then what you do is you pull this down a little bit. You could remove the whole center console, but I just moved it far enough where I could unplug it. It's a plug that goes in between this harness, so it's going to daisy chain. So it's going to go from the cable, you hook up their cable, and then you plug it to the back. So I have not touched this vehicle. I just started it, and as you can see, the auto start stop is off. So you can still use this feature for some reason, odd reason, if you want to do it. And you can turn it on if you do like that feature. Let's just say you come up to, I don't know, a train that's going by, a freight train. It's going to take a while. You can hit that button and it'll just turn off the vehicle. The good thing about this is it memorizes whatever you actually press it at. So for example, if I have it that I don't like that feature and I have it off, when I restart the truck, it's going to remember that I had it off, and it's going to go and turn it off. I'll show you an example of this. Let me turn on. It started getting warm in here, so I put the AC. So as you can see, it's off. Turn off the vehicle. Here's my key. I have a 2018. I don't have a key fob. So I'm going to turn it back on. And you will see, before I turn it off, you will see that the feature is completely off. So I don't have to worry about this anymore. There's a light. It's off. Auto start deactivated by switch, and that's what's going to come up on the instrument cluster every time I turn off the vehicle. Now if I want to use it and I want to have it on, all I got to do is turn it on, turn off the vehicle, and then when I turn the vehicle back on, it's still going to be activated. There's the key. The key is off. And as you can see, the light didn't turn on because it's still activated. So I want it off. I don't like that feature. So once again, I know this is bad, just starting and restarting. As you can see, I haven't touched the button, but I turned it off. As you saw in the video, I did turn it off. So let me turn it on. And there it is. There it is, automatically. So it's turned off. So that feature is turned off. I don't recommend to go under by your pedals and start unplugging stuff, because that's not what you're supposed to do to deactivate this thing. And it's real simple. All you need is a panel tool to pop that up. Matter of fact, let me, all right, before I take off and I forget to put this back on. All you gotta do is pop this off. You lift it. It's just like 1, 2, 3 clips. You pull this back and you hook up the harness. And of course, don't forget that you do need a 7mm socket for you can remove those. And it's recommended to go with a smaller socket like I have, or not a tall one. That way you don't have to lift it up, because you do not want to break the clips back here. There's clips back here too. If you want to take off the whole thing, you could do that. It'll be easier. You could use whatever tool you want, but I use this little guy to take off those screws. And as you can see, the feature's off. I don't have to worry about that crap no more. It was the most annoying feature of this F-150, and I love this truck, but man, it was just annoying as hell. So a real simple fix, and this was, I think it was like 80 something dollars, like almost 90, with a discount code that I found online. It's real simple. It has instructions, I believe. I didn't even look at the instructions really, because there's so many videos of how to actually do this. But it works. I mean, I've seen other videos of people using it. I didn't even open this booklet, but you could go to YouTube and then you'll find videos of how to install that bad boy. And it's man, it's a blessing in disguise. The most annoying thing is having this truck turn off every time you come to a red stop. I mean, a red light, you know, or anytime you stop. Basically, when you stop, the truck turns off. Then when you hit the remove your foot off the brake, the car, or the truck rather, turns on and the lights flicker. So it's annoying as hell, but I'm glad that I found this fix. I paid for this myself. I'm not sponsored by this company, but I just wanted to show you that this stuff does work. Like I said, I didn't want to show the install because there's install videos all over YouTube about this little doodad. But there it is, guys. Oh man, what a blessing in disguise. I wish I had discovered this earlier, because I would have been dealing with this crap for about a year since I've had this truck. I'm going on almost a year, and they have it for the late model trucks. I think after 2018, I could be wrong, 2017, 2018, I'm not sure, is when they started implementing this feature, because the government on emissions, or I don't know why the hell they started doing it. I don't know. I don't want to get into that. But the newer models, they all have this feature, and it's annoying as hell. So there you go, guys. It works. You saw the video. You saw the video proof. If you have any questions or comments or anything at all, just let me know and I'll respond. Other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for all my new subscribers on YouTube. Peace.